I don't want to sound like I'm gassing you, but you got me on some stupid shit. That's what you got me on timing. And I'm sweating you for real. And I don't
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's kind of late, but I wanted to come and show you guys this wig. So I was interested in this burgundy headband wig because I haven't searched up anybody trying a burgundy headband wig. I just want to see if I can make it look real nice. As you see, I did my eyeshadow. I did not make a video just because it's just like little like purple and burgundy looks together. So if you guys want to see this video, I don't mind recreating it, so just comment down below. But I am going to be giving away this wig at the end of the video, so stay tuned for the giveaway rules. But today's wig is provided by KlaiyiHair. It looks like this, and I'm going to show you everything that comes in the packaging. So when you open up the box, you see the wig, and then it comes with 2 headbands. These headbands are not matching my outfit, so I'm just gonna look for a different headband to put on my head. I want a black one or something, but I'm gonna open this up. So this is their 24-inch burgundy wig. It's a deep red, like a deep wine color, and it looks like this. I wanted to wear black so you guys can see the contrast. This is how it looks, and it matches my eyeshadow perfectly. It's very silky. This is the inside construction, because I know people are interested in seeing the inside. So the inside looks like this. There's one big comb at the top, and there's one big comb in the back, and then the adjustable. As you can see, I have my hair out, so I'm just going to brush it back, and I'm going to put it in a really tight ponytail so I can braid it down. And then I'm gonna do a braid. I'm gonna flip this up like so, and I'm gonna put on my wig cap. I'm gonna put on 2 wig caps just in case this one come off. Okay, and now I'm ready. So I'm gonna just put this wig on like so. I don't know what headband I'm gonna put on. This makes my forehead look so big.
A world in which things would have fresh shapes and colors and be changed or have other secrets. A world in which the past would have little or no place.
Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know if you guys liked it. This is how the wig came out. I was a little bit skeptical just because my hair is jet black and this is a burgundy wig. That's crazy. So I tried to tweak it and I think it's giving me very much sew-in vibes, just because you know when you have a sew-in and you have your natural hair out. But I just tied up the front and this actually looks pretty cute. So I'm gonna have all Klaiyi or KlaiyiHair links in my description box so you guys can check them out. And also, to win this wig, because I'm gonna be giving away this wig, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below why you like following this channel. Screenshot those things. Follow me on Instagram, Mommy is Tropic and Tropic Touches, and send the screenshots to Mommy is Tropic. I hope that was easy enough to follow, and I will announce the winner in 2 weeks from the day that I post this. Or actually, I'm going to announce the winner next week from the day that I post this video, and you guys will know who won. Thank you guys so much for supporting me always, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!